In just a short period of time, the DCC program has had significant impacts on a number of Ontario small and medium-sized enterprises that have accessed support through the program.
So Book Depot is an Ontario-based company that's been around for 35 years. We have 450 staff and we operate out of a 500,000 square foot facility, supplying and publishing books. DCC helped position Book Depot for growth by adopting digital technology. An example of this is the purchase order tool. Currently, we struggle with inventory management. By implementing the new purchase order tool, we'll reduce our carbon footprint by 700 metric tons. We'll reduce the amount of books that we purchase for inventory that are unsellable by 2 million books per year. And we will reduce our combined inventory and labor costs by 3.3 million annually.
We're looking for the best companies and projects in Ontario where we think that we're going to get the most impact in terms of jobs and revenues by supporting these companies to modernize operations.
We're a supplier for military and security pyrotechnics devices for search and rescue and training. We have about 65% women employees, and then of our leadership roles, about 70% of them are held by women. One of our challenges today is our data sits in various systems, in paper file folders and spreadsheets in various places around the site because our people are spread between 15 buildings on 90 acres. And so communication and sharing data between that is also a significant challenge. So DCC helping us integrate all our systems and information to the people on the floor is going to help us fuel our growth. With new digital tools comes new skills for our employees. So with the addition of digital tools, we're now also growing their capabilities for not only use at HFI potentially, but also for them to take home with them. We currently have contracts with Canada and the US government. We're going to be selling multiple products internationally within the next 5 years and potentially adding some new products as well as new services, and that'll create jobs for the area and lots of spin-off benefits as well with construction and other investments.
Brahms makes top-of-the-line custom cabinetry. Brahms has some challenges keeping up with modernization. DCC has been really helpful to us by introducing the digital mapping process and providing a framework and a guideline to go about it. The DCC team is obviously very, very knowledgeable.
Brahms' experience with digitalization right now is that we have a fair number of standalone programs that need to be connected. The DCC has given us the digital enhancements that we need to improve the shop and improve the production of the shop and improve the morale of the workers even.
We'll have a more happy culture, be able to hire some more people, make our equipment more efficient so then we can increase productivity.
We're hoping to reduce paper entirely, which of course help us be greener.
Ultimate Manufactured Systems is a steel fabricating company. We fabricate large structures for the automotive industry, aerospace, oil and gas, warehousing. The DCC help you find the weaknesses and provide a solution. This is a fabulous program for companies like mine.
I am a firm believer that every single employee wants to do the best job possible every day. It is up to us to provide the tools to complete their assignments.
We started this company ourselves, 2 or 3 employees. We're up to 70 or 80 employees at this point, and it's just been a continuous growth where our current system just couldn't keep up and was causing problems with our inventory, with our production schedules. Having the grant to help us along the way, it's really to have a system that will work with us as we grow.
The systems and automation is not going to reduce the need for staff, it's going to help us get further output and add another 20 or 30% of our current staff force over the next couple of years.
We've been relentless in our pursuit of our mission and vision. And that mission and vision really is empowering Canadians on their wellness journey through education and high quality, effective herbal-based medicine. We are a preferred employer in this area. Made a lot of hires in the last few years and are continuing to plan to hire this year and into next to support the growth of our Canadian market, but also as we look to export beyond Canada. Implementing our new ERP system will change some of our staff's roles, but I think for the better.
As the business continues to develop and grow, we have plans to expand our warehouse and our production. and that's going to bring continued opportunities of growth for local trades, as well as more hiring for our operations. Some of these areas of growth for us, we would not have been able to really capitalize on unless we had the funding from DCC.
This undertaking wouldn't have happened without DCC's help.
You can make these improvements so much faster than you could have if you were just doing it on your own. And that's really it in a nutshell.
We really see this as a critical step for where we want to go in the future. Partnering with the DCC has allowed us to kind of maintain our focus on what we're good at doing and what we need to do. It's been very empowering and really kind of making this possible.